Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Today our lesson is word opposite. Opposites are contrasting words. Now we start our lesson. Big, B-I-G, big. Big, small, S-M-A-L-L, small. Big, small. Tall, T-A-L-L, tall. Short, S-H-O-R-T, short. Tall, short. Hot, H-O-T, hot. Hot, cold, C-O-L-D, cold. Hot, cold. Day, D-A-Y, day. Night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Day, night. Wet, W-E-T, wet. Dry, D-R-Y, dry. Wet, dry. Good, G-O-O-D, good. Bad, B-A-D, bad. Good, bad. Clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean. Dirty, D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Clean, dirty. Open, O-P-E-N, open. Close, C-L-O-S-E-D, closed. Open, closed. Now children, we repeat it again. Big, small. Tall, short. Tall, short. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Day, night. Day, night. Wet, dry. Wet, dry. Good, bad. Good, bad. Clean, dirty. Clean, dirty. Open, closed. Open, closed. Okay children, I hope you will learn these opposites. So Allah Hafiz, take care.